Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kissed the Moon, chapter 9. So here it is. Let's read the story. Everyone seems busy. Right now, Shang Yi and Tang Wangting went together on the shooting place. It seems that the shooting is starting right now. Hardy, this has been fast. Everyone seems busy, especially for the crew. Zhang Yi, she was standing there. But where's Tang Wangting? Check your hair and makeup. Director said, prepare for the next one. Zhang Yi, at this moment, everyone was assisting her. It seems that she was really busy today, especially this is the shooting. Sister Zhang Yi closed her eyes. I pressed the oil. The other girls said, are the next clothes ready? Well, the voice said, clothing is okay. Everyone seems to be busy assisting her in the show. Well, all of them making sure that Shang Yi is well dressed and properly make up. Well, guys, as you can see, Wafang is also here right now. Well, she was really guest on that show also. Especially the manhwa author is same as Xing Mei Liao Liao. So you might see character in Xing Mei Liao Liao crossover in this manhwa. Hey, looking at how big the battle of Shang Yi, he really treats himself as a big star. Everyone seems gossiping about her. Well, for now, as for the award of the Starlight Awards, in the industry that's not known, is divided into the fork. What kind of gold content can it have? Right now, Tang Wangting said, she found it. Well, this dress is the one Shang Yi going to use. Well, it seems that Tang Wangting was really busy. The other crew said, Teacher Tang, you are here too? Well, they really didn't expect it. Tang Wangting will collaborated on the company of Feiyu, especially in these busy days. Hurry up and go quickly, she said that Shang Yi seems to know each other in private. It would be bad if you tell the merchant. Well, everyone seems gossiping around Tang Wangting and Shang Yi. Well, this two girl has the talk of the town right now. I don't know, it's not good. Why do you want to speak ill of the people behind your back? One of the crew said, yes, we are no more. Someone said, don't do this next time. The two gossip girls seems to know their place. Now, they've been quieted. It turns out it was Tang Wangting who is being truthful to them and said it's really immoral to speak ill to each other, especially behind their back. Well, Tang Wangting, she's really fond of Shang Yi, right? That's why right now, she really wants to protect her, especially for those people, those who speak ill behind her back. Shang Yi, she walked through the hallway. Looking at her, she seems to be really serious. Right now, she was looking at Shang Yi. Miss Shang, my good sister quarreled with the villain second girl again. I was going to take advantage of the gap to smoke cigarette. Saw it. Well, it turns out it was Shang Yi. She knows that Tang Wangting protected her. Those gossip girls right now. Well, the reaction of Shang Yi. She was really cute. Although, right now, Tang Wangting said, Xiao Yuxi and Sushi, a heroine and a villain. The actors can get along. Well, it turns out Tang Wangting, she really know how to coax people. That's why Shang Yi, now, she looks really fond of her. Why did you speak for me just now? Shang Yi, she's trying to be nice. Right now, she's a little bit shy. Also, her face is turning red. Well, maybe it's because of Tang Wangting right now. She was always shy in front of her. I just don't like the Juan people behind my back, especially right now. However, don't you care? Right now, it turns out she know how to tease people. Shang Yi, how can she answer Tang Wangting said? Flaws is better than silence. Well, right now, Shang Yi, it seems that She was really lost at this moment. Of course, she was thinking how to answer Tang Wangting because Tang Wangting is right. Shang Yi said, I really want to care, but I don't care. What's more, they are right. Well, right now it seems that Shang Yi, she has easily to lose patience. That's why right now said so many things. What's more, they are all right. Now, Shang Yi said to herself, I owe you another favor. How do you want me to pay it back? Well, this girl, she know how to pay back both the debts into Tang Wangting right now. But can Tang Wangting really demand things over her? Well, Tang Wangting said to her, is everything okay? It seems that Shang Yi really want to tease Tang Wangting as if she is acting that she's going to kiss her. Right now, she moved herself closer, whispered to the ears, and said, depends on what you want. Oh, this is some tricky. Did she really mean that? Well, of course. She said something. Maybe she can really do it. Right now, it seems that she was really confident about herself. Can you wear my dress again for the next event? Oh, this girl. She was really simple girl. It was really small demands on her. Maybe this time, Shang Yi will agree to her. Well, the event time is very difficult to determine now. And if you can forward it my latest design. Oh, is that so? It's like a good deal for the two of them. But Shang Yi, can she really agree to her? Right now, she seems to be forced. Now, she said to her that she wanted to thought about it. Well, it was not too hard. Right now, of course. Especially bargain for the bargain struck. Well, Shang Yi said to her, why, Sister Shang Yi, second field is ready. Someone interrupted them. Well, it seems that Wang Ting was not really satisfied. Maybe Shang Yi said to her, turns out this girl really want to leave fast. That's why she forced on Tang Wang Ting. Tang Wang Ting was only looking at her, probably waiting for the answer. But he really can get an answer. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!